So we are here to upload the series of videos concerned with the land of word, the world land, which is also known as the world land, like fun land or anything like that. So हम बात करेंगे वर्ल्ड लैंड की. तो वर्ल्ड लैंड के जो वर्ड्स हैं वो आज से शुरू हो रहे हैं, जैसे कि वी हैव टेकन फ्यू वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द शेक्सपियर्स पोएम. तो वो वर्ड्स कौन से हैं? लेट्स स्टार्टेड. ओके, सो मैरी, MERRY, MERRY, what does it means? It means खुशी. I have written in Sindhi whatsoever. Let's come to the point. Fact, merry means MERRY means cheerful, and lively means a person. Let's come to the sentence, which is she was much loved for her merry nature. Means she is a cheerful girl, like I am a cheerful girl myself, so he is a cheerful boy. You can understand this word merry from MERRY from if you saw a person is having rude behavior or not cherish behavior, so you say that, oh, a sick guy, a rude guy, you might say such things like that. But if you met girl like me, you say that, oh, how cheerful she is. So हमें जो है वो चेयरफुल लोग पसंद हैं, जैसे कि खुश मिजाज और खुशबाश. सो MERRY इज ऑल्सो कंसर्न विद दैट काइंड ऑफ नेचर पर्सन. ओके, सो हमने सेंटेंस कर लिया. एक वर्ड हमारा वर्ल्ड लैंड का कंप्लीट हो गया. अब दूसरा वर्ड आता है जैसे कि अनटो. अनटू, अनटू, अनटू का क्या मतलब है? अनटू का मतलब है तक. तो सेंटेंस क्या है? अनटू दी स्वीट बर्ड्स थ्रोट, प्यारे परिंदे के गले तक. अनटू मीन्स तक, मीन्स if we use unto in a sentence, it would be like unto the sweet bird's throat, प्यारे परिंदे के गले तक. means unto, you have learned this is means for me. If you ask something about language, so I would suggest you, मैं आपको ये सजेस्ट करूँगी, अगर आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज पढ़ना चाहें तो बेसिक फैक्ट यही पॉइंट आउट करें, और फैक्ट भी यही है कि आप उस लैंग्वेज को अपनी जो मदर टंग है उसमें पढ़िए. ना ऐसा ना हो कि आप जो है वो स्मार्ट का जो सिनोनिम है वो क्लेवर. यू शुड नो सिनोनिम, यू शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन वोकेबुलरी, बट fact is that you should learn every language in your mother tongue. If you are unable to do things like that, you would never be able to learn any language. So thing is that you should know what that word means in your own language. So unto means stuck. अब unto का इंग्लिश में क्या मतलब है क्या नहीं, we are not concerned with that. In this word land, in this series of word land, we are only concerned with these things. Okay, so new word is heather. Heather, whatsoever, I don't know. I'm not a good kind of person who has just grip on the pronunciation. I really don't look at pronunciation. So heather means यहाँ, or in Sindhi we can say hite, because Sindhi is my mother tongue, so I have to learn Sindhi first. Then the word comes shun. Shun means परे करण, means दूर. जैसे हम इसको सिंधी में लें, उर्दू में लें तो दूर करना, get away. No, we are not concerned with English meaning. We are learning this thing in own language. Okay, then other thing is who doth ambition shun. We just have learned the word shun. So what does it mean? Whoever keeps clear of ambition. Means in Sindhi and Urdu I have written both. So the sentence whoever keeps clear of ambition, if we see its Sindhi meaning, then what does it say? जेकोब ख्वाहिश खां परे रहे. means जेकोब ख्वाहिश खां परे रहे. those who are Sindhi, so they can understand. So in Urdu, let's talk about जो भी ख्वाहिशात से परहेज करता है. means क्या? जो भी ख्वाहिशात से परहेज करता है. तो Shakespeare uses this sentence, who doth ambition shun? What does it mean? It means whoever keeps clear of ambition. Ambition means certain aim, or I'm really not concerned with English meaning. So the last but not the least word is of this word land is what? Contend. What does it contend means? मुकाबला करना. Contend means मुकाबला करना. So we have done today, and hope so you understand each and every word which I have mentioned here, and I just try to make you people understand. So do follow, like, share and subscribe, and it is a great requirement that you should subscribe.